Okay, so we're gonna continue with the math magic from the chapter that talks about variables. Let's start the next project. Okay, so math magic. In this project, you will become a mathematician and write a small program that performs a mathematical magic trick. It will involve performing arithmetic operation on an integer that you choose. The instructions provided are general guidelines. Upon completion of the project, feel free to explore the code on your own. If you get stuck during this project or you would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click Get Help to see a project walkthrough video. Let's go. So, the tasks. So we need to mark them as complete by checking them off. And it says like this: create an int variable called my number. Okay, so int is gonna be called my number. Okay, and set it to equal to 0. Okay, so we've done this task. Task number 2, it says we will refer to my number as the original number from now on. It might be helpful to document this. Write a comment in the program that documents this. So original number, we're gonna create a a comment, and this is the original number. Okay, fine, we've done it. Now create an int variable called step1. So let's say int step1. Set it equal to the original number, my number, multiplied by itself. Okay, so we say my number multiplied by my number. Okay, done. Instruction number 4 says create an int variable called step2. So int step2, and we set it equal to the previous result, step1, so this one, plus the original number. All right, so we've done task number 4. Let's move on to task number 5. It says create an integer called step3, so int step3, and we have to set it equal to the previous step, so this is equal to step2 divided by the original number, which is my number. Okay, fine. Task number 6, it says create an int variable called step4. And set it equal to step 3 plus 17. Okay. Now, task number 7, it says create an int variable called step 5. So we do step 5 and it equals to step 4 minus the original number, which is my number. Okay, we're gonna take this one off as well. Create an int variable called step 6. And this one is gonna be equal to, step 6 is gonna be equal to the previous result divided by 6. Okay. Then task number 9, it says print out the value of the last step. So we're gonna use system.out.println, and this is gonna print step 6. You save and run. Let's save. Oop, we have a problem. Where do we have a problem? Line number 12. Let's see. All right, let's have a look. So we have the main expression in thread main divided by 0. Okay. So other than, so see that's why it says anything other than, so let's say 2, okay? Other than 0, not 0, it said other than, okay? Print out the value of the last step, then save and run your code. What number is printed in the console? Well, we have 3. Now go back to your code. Now go back to your code and change my number to any other integer. So now go back to your code and change my number to any other integer. Let's see, change it to 7. 3 again. Run your program again. Is the output the same? Yes, it is the same. It's math magic. Okay. Save. Okay, so we've completed all the steps. Obviously, we have to mark all the boxes. We have to tick them. And we have finished this project as well.